guys, it's the Velvet Locks with another video. Now this is going to be a weight loss update video, you guys, and I honestly thought that I was finished losing my weight. I never expected that I am still shrinking, and I don't know why. Well, no, there's several reasons why. Okay, first reason, I have definitely been keeping on top of my weight. Now that I've went down to my weight goal, I've been maintaining my weight with, of course, you know, drinking my green tea, lemon juice in the morning, as well as just eating small portions. I cannot eat anything. I barely can finish a meal. I could barely finish a small meal. I could barely finish a mini meal at some of these Caribbean restaurants. So my eating has definitely changed completely. But basically just keeping on top of my weight. But I could tell you like this, it has been mixed with some stress. And usually when I'm stressed, I cannot eat. So that has been something that's been happening lately. But before all of that, honestly, you guys, that blackseed oil has definitely been keeping me on point with my weight loss. I take that faithfully every morning, and I tell you, it is really working. That along with the green tea with the lemon juice. You can't get any better than that, okay? So for those of you who were on the brags, you don't like the taste, and you really want to do something regarding your weight loss, well, that is a wonderful alternative. That green tea lemon juice concoction. You can even vamp it up if you like and put a little cayenne pepper in there. I don't know how that's going to taste, but I have so many different detox recipes that I have on my playlist. So visit my playlist. I'm also going to try to include some of these in the description bar and also on the cards. But you guys, I have definitely been shrinking. My weight now is down to 140. I am only 10 pounds more than what I was when I lost the 50 pounds. And I am seriously not trying to lose any weight, y'all. I am not trying to lose any weight. But I'm shrinking. And I think it has a lot to do with the blackseed oil and my green tea in the mornings, because that really keeps me at bay. Now, being that I've already pretty much detoxed my body, there's really hardly anything to detox. I mean, I have no idea. I really don't. But I've been shrinking. I've still been shrinking. And if you've noticed in my pictures, I'm much slimmer. My size, I am fitting a medium. The leggings that you just saw in the video are a medium. I have to downsize now. All of my clothes, all the clothes that I got that are larges, when I lost all of that weight and I was still a little thick, those are baggy. I can't fit those no more. No. I'm back down to my mediums. Yeah. And I've been investing in so many of those jogging suits, because that's all you see out here in New York. Everybody's looking like they're going to the gym, but nobody's going to the gym. Okay, but that's what you wear. I've been sporting my leggings, and I've been buying size medium, and they fit. They fit. I feel like a little girl, but they fit. But that's the situation, y'all. I've been shrinking. My whole body now is a size medium, which I kind of like it. It's still curvy. A little curvy. My stomach is flatter, although I have been doing something new, and I'm going to show you in another video what I've been doing to tighten my belly skin. Okay, wherever I have that flappy skin, even my arms, it's good for your arms, it's good for your legs, it's also good for your belly. So I'm going to show you in that video what I've been doing to tighten that skin, you know, get it back into that snapback type of thing. But yeah, other than that, I've just been eating regular healthy meals. I am not sliding backwards, although I have dabbled here and there with a little bit of the Lay's chips. My body really has changed. My taste buds have changed. The desire for food has changed. Everything changed. Everything. Now I have so much energy. It's time to exercise, like I said before. Yeah, but this time I am. I'm going back to the gym. I got to. I have so much going on in my life right now that that's the only way for me to really get myself in balance again. So Yeah, your girl has been shrinking. I am seriously not trying to lose any more weight. Honest to goodness, I am not trying to lose any more weight. But I need that green tea lemon juice in the mornings. That's a great way for everybody to start their day off. If it isn't with the Brags, if you're on a weight loss journey, you know, if it's not with the Brags, to start your morning off with that green tea lemon juice is a wonderful way to get your intestines going. Then after that, you can have your coffee and your breakfast or whatever it is you want to have. But that's what I've been doing. I've been slowing down, pretty much stopped eating my avocados. Listen, I don't know what's been going on with me lately. I don't even crave my avocados. I haven't eaten an avocado in all summer. Oh my gosh. All summer. I've been using avocados for other things though. I will let you know what that's about. I've been making avocado hair oils, okay, essential oils for your hair, but that's the only time that I bought avocados. I have not eaten an avocado in a while. I don't know. But let me show you my pictures so you can see how much weight your girl has really shrunk down to. Let's go. Front view. Side view. Back view. Alright, side view. And that's it, you guys. I have no idea, but these are a size medium. Okay. And yep. I don't know. Booty shrunk. Everything shrunk. Thighs shrunk. I don't know. So there it is, you guys. My weight loss update with pictures and no exercise. Okay? No exercise. My skin isn't as loose, although it needs tightening. And I know with exercise, I can get it snapped back in no time. So I need to get back in the gym, honestly. But I'm so lazy. I'm not even going to lie. Okay, but that's the story. So yeah, you guys, I'm telling you, stick with those weight loss concoction drinks, stick with those weight loss teas, those detox teas. Those will work. I'm living testimony. That's all I've been doing. Nothing else. No other the table thing. It's all natural. My green tea lemon juice when I needed to lose the weight. My Bragg's apple cider vinegar concoction. Even spiked it with some cayenne pepper and some ginger powder. I mean, there's so many ways you can lose weight. The detox cabbage soups, that's another good thing to do. I mean, all of the little recipes and concoctions, that's what I've done to lose this weight. So if you got any questions, please list them down below. I will answer all your questions. If you want to get some more ideas of other detox teas, recipes, all of that, stay tuned. I got more coming your way. Wonderful ones that are going to help burn that fat. Okay, now when I tell you it's going to burn your fat, I mean it's going to burn the fat. Look, it burnt my fat. It burnt all the fat off my body. So stay tuned for that detox recipe coming up soon, all right? And until the next video, I will see you then. Bye. Hey, fam. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell. So this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also, hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.